Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Prasad Programming and Technology. I'm Prasad, and today we have an exciting video lined up for you. We will be driving into the
Local File Inclusion, a Practical Guide, TCM Security. Local File Inclusion, LFI, is a vulnerability that allows an attacker to read files from a server they should not have access to. This can lead to the exposure of sensitive information and often enables the attacker to progress further towards their goals. Understanding local file inclusion. A typical example of LFI can be seen in web applications that use file paths in their URL to load content. An application might load a page like http://www.example-site.com/index.php ? Page equals about. Here, the page's content is included from the file about.php on the server. Example 1. Exploiting a direct LFI vulnerability. Similar to the example in the previous section, we have an application with the URL http://www.tcm-sec.com/index.php ? Page equals contact. Example 2. Using PHP filter to bypass simple protections. Some applications may attempt to prevent LFI by blocking certain characters. However, these can sometimes be bypassed using certain wrappers built into PHP. For example, PHP filter allows you to apply filters to a file before it's read. Input validation. Avoid using user-supplied input to form file paths. If you must, validate the input thoroughly to ensure it does not escape the intended directory. Allow listing specific file names or identifiers, rather than accepting arbitrary paths, can be a good approach. Regular updates and patching. This is particularly important if you are running a CMS like WordPress. Thank you everyone. If you want more like this, do subscribe and set notification bell on. I will be back with new topic.